Hello 8th class, this is your mathematics subject. Children, today we are going to start the new exercise of math 5.C. As you can see, this is your mathematics book. Open it now. Before starting the exercise, let us see some important points. Test of divisibility. So यहाँ पर आपको एक टेबल दी गई है. तो फर्स्ट कॉलम में आपको अ नंबर डिविजिबल बाय लिखा हुआ है, देन कंडीशन लिखी है एंड लास्ट एग्जांपल लिखे गए हैं. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट आप देखेंगे 2. तो इफ द वंस डिजिट ऑफ द नंबर इज 0, 2, 4, 6 और 8 और एग्जाम्पल आपको साथ में दिए गए हैं. नाउ 3 आप देखेंगे if the sum of digit of the number is divisible by 3. So sum of digit of 4158 equal to 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 8 equal to 18. So which is divisible by 3? So this number is divisible by 3. Now 5. If the ones digit of the number is 0 or 5, like 25, 300, 605, etc. Now 7. If the difference between twice the last digit and the number formed by other digits is either 0 or divisible by 7. In 847, 84 minus 2 multiply 7 equal to 84 minus 14 equal to 70. So 70 is divisible by 7. So this number is divisible by 7. Now 9. If the sum of the digit of the number is divisible by 9, so sum of digits of 2250. So इनको हम प्लस करेंगे. So 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. Therefore this number is also divisible by 9. Now 10. If the ones digit of the number is 0. So 360, 1200, 4000, 10,000, etc. Now 11. If the difference between the sum of the digits at even place and the sum of the digits at odd places is either 0 or a multiply of 11. So see the example. Sum of digit at even place in 63,019. So 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and sum of digit at odd places in this number 9 plus 0 plus 6 equal to 15. Now 15 minus 4 is 11. So this number is divisible by 11. Now start our exercise 5.C. A part, select the correct answer. First question. If 4, 5, 7 is exactly divisible by 9, then the least value of y is. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, सम ऑफ डिजिट ऑफ 4, 5, y, 7 equal to 4 plus 5 plus y plus 7 equal to 16 plus y, which is divisible by 9. So it means 16 plus y can be 0, 9, 18, 27 is 2. Okay. Since y is a digit, therefore it can be possible only if y equal to 2. So A option is correct. Now second question, see in your book. If 15y6 is exactly divisible by 3, then the least value of y is. So जैसे हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट किया है, ऐसे ही हम सेकंड करेंगे बेटा. इसमें हमें 3 से हमारा ये जो नंबर है डिविजिबल बाय 3 होना चाहिए. सो सम ऑफ डिजिट्स ऑफ 15y6 इक्वल टू 1 plus 5 plus y plus 6 equal to 12 plus y. So it means 12 plus y can be 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 is 2. Now since if is a digit, therefore it can be possible only if y equal to 0, 3, 6 और 9. So यहाँ पर ऑप्शन में आपको 1, 7, 3 and 2 दिया हुआ है. So our answer is 3. So C option is correct. Okay, now third question. If 7xy is exactly divisible by 9, then the least value of x plus y is. So इसका आंसर है D. D option is correct, 7. Okay. Now fourth question. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 3 but not by 9? So answer is 64,320. C option is correct. Now start B part. Solve the following. First question. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? So A part is 293. So 2 से divisible होने के लिए क्या condition है? जो यूनिट डिजिट है बेटा वो 02468 होने चाहिए. सो ए पार्ट हमारा है 293. सो यूनिट डिजिट इज 3 विच इज ओड नंबर. therefore 293 is not divisible by 2. now B part आप देखेंगे 1234. so unit digit is 4. so this is even number. now therefore 1234 is divisible by 2. now similarly you have to solve other part of this question. now question number 2, see in your book which of the following numbers by divisible by 3. so a number is divisible by 3 only if the sum of digits is divisible by 3. so A part is 345. so sum of the digits of 345 is 12 which is divisible by 3. therefore this number is divisible by 3. now B part 8691. so firstly sum of the digits of this number, so 24 which is divisible by 3. therefore this number is divisible by 3. so similarly you have to solve other part of this question. now question number 3, see in your book which of the following numbers are divisible by 5. so a number is divisible by 5 only when its unit digit is 0 or 5. so A part is 365. so since the unit digit of 365 is 5, therefore 365 is divisible by 5. now B part 8156. so unit digit is 6. therefore this number is not divisible by 5. now similarly you have to solve other part of this question. now question number 4, see in your book which of the following numbers are divisible by 7. so a number is divisible by 7 if twice of one's digit subtracted from the remaining number is divisible by 7. so A part is 994. so 99 minus 4 multiply 2 equal to 99 minus 8 equal to 91. so 91 is divisible by 7. therefore this number is divisible by 7. now B part 1990 1998. so 199 minus 8 multiply 2. so 199 minus 16 equal to 183. so 183 is not divisible by 7. therefore this number is not divisible by 7. now similarly you have to solve other part of this question. now question number 5, see in your book which of the following numbers are divisible by 10. so a number is divisible by 10 only its unit digit is 0. so A part is 270. it's very simple question. सो यहाँ पर 27 के 270 का जो यूनिट डिजिट है वो 0 है. यहाँ पर बेटा गलती से 27 लिखा गया है, इसको आप 270 रीड करेंगे. ओके, देयरफॉर 270 इज डिविजिबल बाय 10. नाउ बी पार्ट आप देखेंगे 5632. सो यूनिट डिजिट इज 2. सो दिस नंबर इज नॉट डिविजिबल बाय 10 बिकॉज 0 होना चाहिए यूनिट डिजिट पे. therefore this number is not divisible by 10. okay, now similarly you have to solve other part of this question. now question number 6, which of the following numbers are divisible by 9. so 9 के लिए कौन सी condition apply होती है? a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. so A part is 729. now sum of the digit of 729 is 18 which is divisible by 9. therefore 729 is divisible by 9. now B part आप देखेंगे, so B part is 1386. now sum of the digits of this number is 18. now 18 is divisible by 9. therefore this number is also divisible by 9. now similarly you have to solve C, D and E part of this question. Question number 7, see in your book which of the following numbers are divisible by 11. so a number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits at even places and odd places is divisible by 11. so A part is 505. now sum of digit at odd places equal to 5 plus 5 equal to 10. now sum of digit at even places equal to 0. Now difference 10 minus 0 equal to 10, which is not divisible by 11. So 505 is not divisible by 11. Now B part 7301. Now sum of digits at odd places equal to 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Now sum of digits at even places equal to 0 plus 7 equal to 7. Now difference 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 is not divisible by 11. Therefore 7301 is not divisible by 11. Now similarly you have to solve other part of this question. Now question number 8, see in your book, if 7, 9, 3 x 0 is a multiplied of 3 where x is a digit, what might be the value of x? So sum of the digits of 7, 9, 3 x 0 equal to 7 plus 9 plus 3 plus x plus 0 equal to 19 plus x, which is divisible by 3. It means 19 plus x can be 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. Okay. Since x is a digit, therefore it can be possible only if x equal to 2. Okay. So 2 is our answer. Now question number 9, see in your book, given that 2a547 is divisible by 9, where a is a digit, what is the value of a? So in this question, sum of the digits of this number 2 plus a plus 5 plus 4 plus 7 equal to 18 plus a. Now which is divisible by 9? It means 18 plus a can be 18, 27, 36 is 2. Since a is a digit, therefore it can be possible if a equal to 0. So 0 is our answer. Now question number 10, see in your book, write the smallest possible value of x if 800x6 is divisible by 11. So sum of digits at odd places equal to 6 plus 0 plus 8 equal to 14. Now sum of digits at even places equal to x plus 0. So x. Now difference 14 minus x, which is divisible by 11. So 14 minus x equal to 11. So x equal to 3. So the smallest possible value of x is 3. Now question number 11, see in your book, a 3-digit number 283 is added to the number 326 to given a 3-digit number 5b9, which is divisible by 9. Find the value of b minus a. So 2a3 minus 326, so our answer is 5b9. Now solve करना है आपको इसे. So sum of digits of 5b9 equal to 5 plus 9 plus b equal to 14 plus b, which is divisible by 9. It means 14 plus b can be 18, 27, 36. Since b is a digit, therefore it can be possible only if b equal to 4. Now 549 minus 326 equal to 223. So our answer is 2a3. So यहाँ पर a की वैल्यू हमारी क्या आ गई है 2. ओके. सो b माइनस a इक्वल टू b की वैल्यू हमारी 4 and a की वैल्यू 2. So 4 minus 2 equal to 2 is our answer. Now children, your exercise is over and chapter is also over. Your homework is that you have to write it in your notebook. Thank you students.